On July 28th, we had a meteor coming through the atmosphere in New Mexico. And here's 3 videos that we pulled offline. And you can see it coming in. This camera is facing east. You can kind of do a little sleuthing and find on Street View this location. And the poster is also published in the past. The webcam type, or the dash cam, which has 140 degrees field of view. A similar shot here is coming from Taos. A little bit less of the trace, but the nice thing is it's separated from Albuquerque from a good distance, and so that can help with the triangulation. What we're going to focus on is pretty much this one point of a flash right here that's also apparent from this other camera in West Albuquerque, about a mile from the other one, where the first video we showed. But this has a really nice long trace. And you're going to see what I'm talking about. There's this one flash right in here that's pretty identifiable in all of it videos right in there, and then the second flash. So we'll call that the first flash right here. And just as a first exploratory, what we want to do is triangulate basically that position as a lat long above New Mexico, and what is the height. You can see in the background, you got the Sandias here in these shots. Taos is basically over in here, and now we're going to move over to the web here in our Realtime Earth tool that we're developing for tracking wildfires to get early response and notification to people using citizen phones and the Alert Wildfire Network. But we're going to use that here just to show finding this in the meteor in New Mexico. So here you can see we're basically solved for where this camera is in Taos, and we're going to click on this pixel here, which has a UV coordinate. And based on the lens, these are Nest cams, which have 130 field of view, 130 degrees. So we can calculate the angle off of the center point, and we've calibrated against the mountains in the background here, from which we have USGS 10-meter elevation and some street view data where this sign is very findable on my Estes Road. And as we pop out of here, you can see here's where we are in Taos, and I'll just pan over here to Albuquerque. And here we are in West Albuquerque, and again using the Sandias as a reference. And here's our flash point, and you can see basically where those two are intersecting. And if we come up to the top here, you can see we're in West Albuquerque here on that back patio. And basically you can see, here's again Santa Fe, the Sandias. So we're basically that flash, as you come out of Santa Fe, you're coming into Pecos. So not too far from probably Glorieta here. We'll get more accurate lat long and elevations. But that flash was coming in from this direction, flashing here, and we'll get an agent-based model and agent script that's going to give hopefully a landing location. But this is the very preliminary analysis from these 2 videos. Thank you.